Okay, if there's one thing I know to be true is that companies, many companies, will spit you out. They will chew you up and they will spit you out. And that is the God honest truth. When I worked in an office job in finance years ago, there was a lady who was retiring. She had worked there for over 30 years and they were going to go and give her a scarf. That was going to be her goodbye gift, was going to be a simple scarf. And I thought that that was absolutely atrocious. She had worked there for 30 years. So what someone did was they went around and they gathered money so that she could have something else. And they gathered up, I think it was around $1,000 as a goodbye gift to say goodbye to her. And I have heard stories like this. I mean, you can be fired or lose your job at the drop of a hat. You can just be let go. And a large company, I'm not saying all of them, but a lot of them will not care whether you are there or whether you're not. You're replaceable, you're a number. And that got me thinking about how you should have a safety net or a backup plan to look out for yourself, right? And do you have that? If you think you're not replaceable, you've got another thing coming. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Susan. I am a small online business owner here in Alberta, Canada since 2012. I normally don't look like this. I'm going out to a friend's birthday tonight, so I don't normally wear makeup. I work out of my home, and I'd like to dress down and wear my sweats or my jeans and just not look like this. And I don't miss wearing makeup, but I am doing a video now as I've got a little bit of free time before we head out. And yeah, just let that sink in about how at your job what is your worth? What are you worth? How are you replaceable? Are you replaceable? What is your, what do you do for a living? And how you can be replaced in a drop of a hat. So just let that sink in. I've been working for myself since 2012, and I started doing my own thing when I was working a full-time job. I have now taken the roadmap. I'm about to finish the roadmap, and it has taught me so many different skills, transferable skills that I can use in sales, in marketing, to create digital products. There are so many different things I can do with this course. This course is worth its weight in gold. It has taught me to create digital products, how to resell digital products, what the power of digital products are, how many different digital products there are, and affiliate marketing. And all those things are in my free guide as well, in my stand store. If you are sitting on the fence about digital and affiliate marketing and you want to get into it, check out my free guide there and please grab that. There is also a sneak peek introductory video to the roadmap that you can check out there. And I've listed all the modules in my stand store, what is included in the roadmap. It is 32 hours. It helps you set up your store very quickly and easily that you can be selling the power of digital products. So anyway, if you have any questions, please reach out to me about building an online business, about digital products, about the roadmap, or any other digital product ideas that you have or want questions answered. I will happily help you. I'm trying to help as many people be financially free in 2024 as possible.